10 years ago, 4 University of Arkansas professors from 4 different departments put together a plan for an interdisciplinary center that focused on space and planetary science. Today, the Arkansas Center for Space and Planetary Sciences has grown from an idea to a thriving program with 30 graduate students in the master's and doctoral program and 18 professors who work with them.
When I was 5, I decided I was going to be an astronomer. So then I did. When I got my master's in astronomy, I started focusing on planetary sciences. And back in my country, not that many people work on this topic, so I had to look abroad. I really liked that the center was very student-centric, so I applied, and then here I am.
The researchers work on a range of projects, from recreating the conditions found on planetary bodies to developing instrumentation for planetary missions.
I was enrolled in a project called OPRA, the Optical Probe for Regolith Analysis. OPRA is a subsurface analytical probe that's going to be pushed into the subsurface of planets using a lander or a rover to investigate the subsurface composition as a function of depth. So basically, the main objective of my research is to determine the maximum force or the maximum allowed force for penetration without endangering the whole mission.
We have a chamber where we're simulating Saturn's satellite Titan. Titan has beaches and rivers and lakes and shoreline, but unlike water on Earth, it's methane and other hydrocarbons. There's a satellite up there right now called the Cassini spacecraft, and it's taking lots of data, and all that data is coming down and people are analyzing it. But, you know, they're analyzing it using the known laws of science, this, that, and the other thing. It's good to have a chamber where we can simulate the known conditions and compare the data to. So it's actually pretty important research.
I'd say centers create synergy. And synergy has been a big buzzword at the funding agencies over the last few years, okay? And I would go a step further and say that a lot of the really interesting problems in science these days, science and engineering, are problems that occur at the interfaces of disciplines. So it's not only space. Interdisciplinary research is really where it's at right now.
By bringing together researchers from different disciplines in science and engineering, Space Center research takes on a novel approach not seen at many institutions.